Welcome, geometry students, to class today on this Thursday the 8th. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're hanging in there. The week's almost over, so please continue to work hard today and tomorrow, and then you can enjoy the weekend. Guys, we always try to keep moving. I know this class is pretty boring, but we've got to keep moving, guys. So I hope you're ready to work hard today. What I say, you're responsible for, so please listen carefully to this video. First of all, there'll be a quiz on Tuesday. It was going to be on Monday. I've moved it to Tuesday, okay? Quiz on Tuesday. At this time, please turn your homework in from yesterday. Last night you had homework, so please turn that in now at this time. Actually, I apologize, that's incorrect. Everyone already turned it in yesterday, so please ignore that comment. And I appreciate everyone doing the homework, except Josh. Josh, you weren't there, so you'll have to get that made up. Let's see here. Right here, Josh. I'd like that turned in by Friday, Josh, or it's going to be a 0. If you have any problems with that, just talk to me at home about that. But need that turned in by tomorrow, okay? Moving on. Incompletes. This was weird. Y'all have done really well. I'm not mad, but I gave you an assignment on Friday, okay? It wasn't due until Wednesday, all right? And so Wednesday was yesterday. No one turned it in except Micah. So Micah, thank you very much for doing that. I appreciate it. On your next quiz, Micah, I'm going to give you 5 bonus points for being the only person that did that. So I'm rewarding you, and I appreciate that. But guys, all of you must turn in this assignment right here by tomorrow, or it's going to be a permanent 0. Okay? Now, Josh, you were absent. I understand that. But Emmanuel, Mike, Brandon, Nathan, I'm not mad. I'm not chewing you out. I was just surprised because y'all's reputation has been so good. Please get that turned in by tomorrow. And I always email parents when homework's not turned in. So don't be mad about that. Don't be offended. Don't be upset. I do that every time homework's not turned in, okay? So if your parents got an email and they talk to you, I'm not trying to get you in trouble. I always do that, okay? So, all of this assignment here must be turned in by tomorrow, okay? Or I'm going to give you a 0, and it's not going to be allowed to be made up. So please take care of that, all right? All right, moving on. Today we're going to take a quiz and then take notes. Now, if you don't finish the teaching video, you do not have to finish it at home. Mrs. Duke, just let me know where you stop if you guys don't finish the video, and that's no problem, okay? Thanks. The video today is about 3 different pairs of angles, okay? Complementary angles come in a pair of 2. Supplementary angles come in a pair of 2. And so do adjacent angles, all right? We will also be looking at our first theorems today. So we will learn a definition of what a theorem is, and then we're going to learn 2 theorems. Now, we are starting to get into the more difficult material. Please listen. We are going to learn, unfortunately, a ton of theorems this year. So please learn them. Don't get behind. Today are your first 2 theorems. Learn them, okay? The teaching video is lesson 2.3, 25 minutes. That's about half a class period. So I'm asking you to take notes for half a class period. Very reasonable. It was good to see you guys yesterday, by the way. Good to finally put a face with Ethan Powell. I did not know who he was, and always good to chat with you guys. Wish I could see you more often, but that just doesn't happen. But good to talk with you guys. Okay, let's go over your quiz today. Please pass them out at this time, Mrs. Duke, if you would, and then restart the video once everyone has a quiz on their desk. Okay, guys. Really, again, I'm not being grouchy today. I just am being honest. If you look at numbers 1 through 3, they're fill in the blanks. I mean, none of you should miss those, guys. You're sophomores, big, old, strong, smart kids. I mean, 3 things to learn for fill in the blanks. That's not a lot, okay? Number 4, I told you guys when I went over the quiz yesterday, know the midpoint formula. So if you know it, and you've got a calculator, and you can add and divide by 2, you should be able to do this, okay? So find the midpoint of those 2 points. 5 and 6, find the midpoint of AC. Sorry, excuse me. Find the missing length. On 8 and on 5 and 6, B is the midpoint. B is the midpoint of AC. Find the length, find the missing length. So number 5, find the length of AC. Number 6, find the length of BC. Now number 6, 20 is the entire length of AC. 20 is the entire length of AC. Okay? All right. Number 7, the entire big angle ABC, is 86 degrees. BD is an angle bisector. Find the measure of DBC. And lastly, a little algebra here. Using the same figure above for number 13, angle ABD is 2x minus 3. Angle DBC is 4x minus 9. What is the measure of the entire angle ABC? Okay, that's a tough one. Do your best on it, and I will grade your quizzes fairly. Okay, your tests are graded and entered into Sycamore. We're going to go over them tomorrow. I could have passed them out today, but I didn't want to because I was afraid you might lose them. So I'll pass them out tomorrow. We'll go over them tomorrow. Your grades are listed on Sycamore. And that's all for today, students. Please get to work on your quiz and notes. Have a great day today. Contact me if you have any question at all.